Praise Yahusha. I have another video to show you of the rescued nuthatch. Watch this. Okay, we're going to take the little titmouse. No, it's a nuthatch. We're going to take him someplace safe. He got stunned by hitting our door.
He's wrapping his left foot around my finger, my little finger.
He's holding on to your finger.
Yeah.
That's so sweet. He trusts you, honey. He's blinking his eyes. He's moving his little beak around. I think he's going to make it.
Yeah. I'm going to put him, I think, on one of those bird baths. The nuthatch flew away just as I turned around. So it left my hands and went flying off. So it's fine.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Give praise to Yahusha.